Are you struggling to find feature importances for your bagging model in Scikit-Learn? You're not alone. Today, we're diving into this common issue and uncovering how to get those feature importances. I totally get it. It can be really frustrating when you're trying to compare different decision trees, and one of them just doesn't seem to cooperate. You're not the only one facing this challenge. Let's take a closer look at the specific question from our viewer, Corny. They are comparing several regression algorithms, including random forest, extra trees, AdaBoost, and bagging. However, they notice that the feature importance for the bagging decision tree isn't available. Sound familiar? Let's explore how to tackle this. So, why is this happening? The bagging model in Scikit-Learn doesn't provide feature importances directly like some other models do. But don't worry, there are ways to work around this limitation. Stick around. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to extract feature importances from your bagging model, and I promise it will be worth your time. To obtain feature importances from a bagging model in Scikit-Learn, the user should first understand that bagging itself does not provide feature importances directly. Instead, they can access the feature importances from the base estimator used in the bagging ensemble. Next, the user should ensure they have a base estimator that supports feature importances, such as a decision tree. They can specify this when creating the bagging model. After setting up the bagging model with the chosen base estimator, the user can fit the model to their data. Once the model is trained, they can access the feature importances from the base estimator. Finally, the user can visualize or analyze the feature importances. This can help them understand which features are most influential in their model's predictions. Fun fact: did you know that the concept of bagging was introduced to improve the stability and accuracy of machine learning algorithms? It's like giving your model a little boost. Now, let's look at the answers provided by other users. One alternative solution for obtaining feature importances in bagging is to extend the bagging regressor class. The user suggests creating a custom class that overrides the fit method. This method calculates feature importances by averaging the feature importances or coefficients from each estimator in the ensemble. It also handles cases where the maximum features are not equal to 1. The user notes that this approach works well unless bootstrap features are enabled. They also mention that the implementation may not align perfectly with the latest Scikit-Learn updates, but it effectively computes feature importances after fitting the model. Let's take a moment to review another user's answer. One user faced a similar challenge and found a solution by overloading the bagging classifier. They wanted to access the average feature importance directly from the bagging classifier object. Their approach involves creating a new class that extends the bagging classifier. In their fit method, they compute the feature importance by checking if the base estimators have the feature importances attribute or the coef parameter. This allows them to calculate the mean feature importance across all estimators. Here's a pro tip. If you're using a different base estimator, make sure to check if it has a feature importances attribute. Not all estimators do, but many popular ones do. And there you have it. You now know how to extract feature importances from your bagging model in Scikit-Learn. If you found this video helpful, please subscribe for more tips and tricks on machine learning.